Well, hello there, my loves, and welcome back to Makeup Mondays with Tracy Lifestyle, and that
I like me better when I'm with you.
me. So today we're going for a soft, right, everyday look. Just a brown eyeliner. The highlight always gotta be popping, and the eyelashes always gotta be luscious, up close on the lips. So with no further ado, keep on watching this video. I'll show you guys how I went from nothing. Alright, so let's get started. So we are fresh faced and ready to go. Don't mind the background noise, but here we go. Or the bags. First off, we are starting with sample size baby professional primer from Benefit. It works awesome, but it does really close in your pores, so it's really cool. Watch, see? Ooh, right away it blurs. Yep. Some in the T-zone, because that's where we get most oily. Well, for me anyways. I have like both, like in between dry skin and oily. More so dry, but like in the T-zone right here, today it gets pretty oily. So let that set in for a little bit. Drink your Starbucks. I have such sensitive skin, so like I just go like that and it'll turn red. Watch, this side's gonna turn red now. So lately for my everyday, see, told you. So lately for my everyday go-to makeup, I've been mixing high-end with low-end. So I've been doing my Too Faced Born This Way. Too Faced Born This Way, shade No. And then I've also been mixing it with this. Okay, Super Matte, shade 107, 24-hour wear from L'Oreal. Before I had anything, it was L'Oreal and Maybelline. Okay, so I just go ahead and put little dots on my face because this shade is also a lot darker for my skin, and then obviously the Snow one's a lot lighter for my skin. Okay, and then with this has a nice little pump. And what I like to do is, of course, I spread it with my fingers first, and I just use a flat top brush like so. It's from Crown, right? No name.
I spread it.
Because my hair is blonde now, so I use soft brown and auburn. Same thing, we start with the light colors first, right? And I go in with an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush as well. This is in 7B, and we just start going filling in eyebrows. I totally have an eyebrow tutorial if y'all would like to go watch that. So once you got soft brown on, go ahead and go in with your auburn. And all we're doing is just underlining what you've already done, right? Just to make it a little bit more bold. Love a bold brow. Okay, our eyebrows on. We're gonna go ahead and move on to under eye. Tired as hell, want to look awake, right? Your finger, you can use your brush. I feel like I use my brush today, so the brush, you just pat it, right? And you want to do it very lightly, even though it looks like I'm kind of doing kind of hard. I'm just pouncing it on there. When you do it too hard, it, wastes the product. The brush will absorb all this stuff. That's kind of pointless. We totally use some Tarte Shape Tape. Doesn't do too much of the creasing. It stays pretty nice and bright. It stays all day. And it doesn't like, you know how some concealers, like after a while, it'll like look cakey and like nasty looking? This one doesn't really do that. And it blends very beautifully, very smoothly. Because it's a Monday, it's everyday look. Instead of wearing black eyeliner, I use my pencil, whiskey, and then we just line our eyes. Instead of black, brown gives it kind of more of a softer look. It looks less harsh than black. Okay, so then once we have the winged eyeliner on, use the same pencil and you're gonna lightly line your water bottom line. Ugly face, or just, I gotta make my ugly face, I can't even try to look cute. Then we go ahead and move on to the lashes. Yes. Duo. Okay. This shit's drying up because I never bothered to close it. That's bad, but oh well. Apply it on like this. Totally got an eyelash tutorial if you want to check that out. All you're doing is just applying it to the line. For tutorial purposes, I'm going to use some tweezers. Easier for us to see. But you know how it goes. Lift your head and then just lift your eyebrow a little bit, and it's easier for you to see your lash line. Doesn't matter which side you want to put down first, just whatever side sits down first. And then we move on to the other side. Then we move on to, these are the colors on the back of the name. It's hella dirty, my bad. Go ahead and move in with the contour color. I'm just gonna put that right here. And I don't really do all the extra contouring, I just do it right here, and that's good enough. Then brush And if you do have your bags like this, sometimes it distracts it if you put the blush right here on the ball of your cheek, because then it kind of brings it together and putting it just straight across, you know? Okay, looking gorgeous, looking gorgeous, looking gorgeous. Then we go on highlight. I like to grab all these. I got that big ass freaking dot on my nose, so we gotta cover that. Not cute. Did a little bit on the chin, because it's kind of cute, like pops out your face a little bit, so I don't know. Do a line on your nose. So we went ahead and put our hair down, because we're getting ready, you know. We do this cheekbones real quick. I like to go in with pretty gold. This right here, right there. Okay, a little bit on the tops. And then last but not least, we go on to the lips with some holographic peel. Apply it straight onto the lip like this. That, y'all, is the finished look. Lightweight, natural, but natural. Everyday makeup look. Off with the brown. Highlighted, always gotta have a poppin. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.